Hello and welcome to this Lino Printing class. It's a beautiful Saturday morning here in Sydney and I'm really looking forward to taking you step by step through this project to create a stunning lino print based on the picture of a robin bird. It's a nice simple project suitable for all skill levels, so don't be at all worried. For this class we do need a few materials. One is a water-based lino block printing ink. Need one of these rollers to get the ink onto the lino when we're going to print. A palette knife is useful for getting the ink out of the container and onto a surface so we can use it. Need some paper to print onto. That could be any type of paper. If you're just starting out, just a cartridge paper is fine. If you want to make a higher quality print, you can get specialised printmaking papers that are softer. Need some lino carving tools. A small set like this is useful. This is a bamboo barren and we use this instead of having a printing press. So this is used to put pressure on the paper which pushes it down onto the inked lino when we're making our print. And so then we finally need some lino. Now this is the regular type of lino. I believe it's made with linseed oil and it can be quite hard. If you're in a colder climate it can be quite firm and challenging to work with. One way to fix that is to actually warm it up a bit. And then there's this newer product which is blue on one side and green on the other. This is a much softer piece of, well, it's not really lino, but to use for lino printing. Much easier to cut, really beginner friendly, so that's something to look for in your art stores. So I just wanted to tell you a little bit about me. I said my name is Shellie and I'm based in Sydney, Australia, and I studied fine arts at the National Art School in Sydney. And part of that was learning across all disciplines, including printmaking. And lino cutting is such a gorgeous technique to know, and it's useful for fine art, for illustration. It's a very versatile technique. So join me now for this fabulous class and I'll take you step by step through the process, and by the end we'll have a fabulously beautiful print of a bird. Let's get started.